Most men think being attractive is all about money, looks, or status. But here's the truth. Women notice things that have nothing to do with how tall you are or how much is in your bank account. Today, I'm going to break down 5 powerful signs that you are already way more attractive than you realize. Stay until the end, because number 5 is the one most men completely overlook. Sign 1. Confidence without arrogance. The guy who walks into a room and doesn't need to prove himself. Women pick up on that instantly. If you know who you are and don't chase approval, you automatically stand out. Sign 2. Strong body language. Women notice posture, eye contact, and the way you move. Attractive men don't fidget. They don't shrink. They take up space naturally. Sometimes it's not what you say. It's how you carry yourself. Sign 3. Purpose and drive. Women are drawn to men who have direction, who are building something bigger than themselves. You don't need to be rich or successful yet, but if you're grinding with vision, that energy is magnetic. Sign 4. Emotional control. The ability to stay calm under pressure, not overreact, not get needy. This is extremely attractive. Women see it as strength because it shows maturity and self-mastery. Sign 5. Respect from other men. If other men respect you, not fear you, but genuinely respect you, women instantly notice. Social proof is powerful. The way you treat others and the way others respond to you says everything about your value. So if you have even 2 or 3 of these signs, understand this. You're already far more attractive than you think. Forget chasing validation. Focus on becoming that grounded, disciplined, purpose-driven man, and the right women will notice without you even trying. Backhand index pointing right if this resonated with you. Drop a comment saying, level up. Backhand index pointing right, and hit subscribe, because I'll be breaking down more raw truths every week to help you unlock your full potential.